Today we're gonna make Reese's. I like to use Peter Pan because he can fly. Oh, this one must be generic. Step 1, add some butter, fly. 30 seconds of radiation. Well, that's not enough. That's what I'm talking about. Now go ahead and add your peanut butter with your grateful spoon. I'm so grateful for my job. I ran out of Peter Pan, so I went ahead and picked some Skippy Natural. This always grows in nature really good. Some yum yum sauce. Use Mr. Grateful to stir it up. He's always so grateful for his job. For some extra mixing power, just use your drill. You're gonna need to add some crack, and a lot of crack. I like to hand mix it. It's just much easier. Now that we got our giant Reese's cup, we're gonna pass on the world record, and we're gonna use our building material to make stuff. I call this one the snowman. I call this one a pyramid. This one's a cube. I call this one a pile. This one's a small ball. That one's a big ball. And that's an even bigger ball. This is a snake. And that's a rock. After you roll them into different sizes to get different peanut butter to chocolate ratios, now we gotta melt the chocolate. This is important, just make sure you microwave it on 1 minute intervals. Any longer, you'll burn it. After your chocolate's had 1 minute of cancer treatment, go ahead and give it a nice stir. And then throw it back in there. We're gonna throw them in for a minute. After 2 minutes, you get something like this. This is perfect. You're gonna mix it through and then melt the rest of the chips. This is where Grateful will come into play. She loves this job. I'm so grateful for my job. You wanna have something that looks like this. That's perfect. Now what you do is you take your peanut butter meatball and dunk half of it. Once you dunk half, just plate it. I'm just gonna be lazy and I'm just gonna dunk it on each and every one of them. When they're done, send them on an ice age. And now you have Reese's, just like that. I'm so grateful for my job.